We have melted diamonds and dissolved bottles. But today, we are going back to basics. We are going to apply brute force. This is a 100-ton hydraulic press. It can exert enough pressure to turn a lump of coal into dust, but sadly not into a diamond. And this is our target: 100 layers of standard plastic sheets stacked on top of each other. Individually, these sheets are weak. You can tear them with your hands. But what happens when you force them to occupy the same space at the same time? Will they explode? Or will we create something entirely new? Let's start the simulation. Before we crush it, we need to understand the physics. When a hydraulic press pushes down, it isn't just applying weight. It is creating friction. As the layers of plastic are forced to slide against each other under extreme tonnage, the friction generates massive amounts of internal heat. We aren't using a flamethrower, but the center of this stack is going to get hot enough to melt. We call this friction welding. It is the same technology used to build parts for spaceships. Simulation ready. Compressing in 3, 2, 1. Contact. Watch the sides. The plastic isn't shattering like glass. It is flowing. Plastic is a viscoelastic material. It acts like a solid and a liquid at the same time. The pressure gauge is spiking. 50 tons. 70 tons. Look at the color change in the center. That slight transparency, that is the air being squeezed out of the microscopic gaps between the layers. The individual sheets are ceasing to exist. The long polymer chains are tangling together, fusing into a single, solid mass. Boom! Maximum pressure reached. 100 tons. Let's lift the press and see what we made. It didn't explode. It didn't crumble. Look at this. It is a solid, ultra-dense brick. It is hot to the touch. We essentially just hacked the recycling process. Usually, you have to melt plastic to recycle it. But here, we used pure mechanical force to fuse it into a super tile. This material is incredibly tough. You could hit this with a hammer, and it wouldn't dent. This proves that trash is just a raw material waiting for the right amount of pressure. If we can turn flimsy plastic sheets into solid construction bricks, we could solve the housing crisis and the pollution crisis at the same time. We have the bricks. Now, we need to build something with them. We are leaving the lab. We are going into the wild. In the comments, vote for the next mission. Subscribe for science. Class dismissed.